Good morning from this hot mess express who has baby vomit on her and an enormous pile of laundry to fold. I hope you enjoy this video that you're gonna watch. This is how I got all of these items that you're gonna see for free, and I actually got paid to take them home. So if you want pointers and tips on how to do this, please keep watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Bye. Hi guys, I'm here with a little mini haul. Today I went to two stores. I went to Real Canadian for the pizza and then Shoppers for the chips. Oh, sorry, Shoppers for the Colgate. So we'll start here at Shoppers. Today was the last day. These guys were $1.99. And then smartsource.ca came out with a $2 off coupon, I believe yesterday. So I have several browsers. I was able to print off 20. So I ran over this evening to Shoppers, and yeah, so they went from $1.99 to $0. And then on top of that, there's an offer where you scan your the offer, and it's when you spend $40, you get 10,000 points. So the 20 Colgates were $39.80. So I needed something, a filler of 20 cents or more. So because I was just at the cash, I just quickly grabbed the bag of Doritos, which was one something. It was $1.89. So after coupons, my total was $7.11. And so because I made the 10,000 points, and I had a personal offer for, I think it was 800 points for every $4 you spend. So in total, this made me $11 and some change. And then at Real Canadian, I price matched the pizza to $4.97. Checkout 51 is giving $2 back, and then Cattle is giving $2 back. So this pizza cost 97 cents. So altogether, I ended up making $10.54. I made $10.54 to bring this home. Guys, if couponing is not the future, I don't know what is. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.